Yo, what is up, my Knights of the Round Table? Welcome back to Music Night, the boy the night. Tonight's final reaction is brought to you by King Boy, who requested Jigsaw versus Hannibal Lector by Daddy Fat Snaps. Like I said before, Daddy Fat Snaps is one of the biggest OGs of this channel. I really got my start reacting to him, and it's always such a pleasure and a joy to get back into it, man. Daddy Fat Snaps really transcended what nerdcore could be for me. Like, this is what really kind of got me into nerdcore, was Daddy Fat Snaps. So, I'm always excited to check out one of his fucking songs, man. Like, I am just super excited. Oh boy, I'm so excited. So, you thought I was done.
You thought I was done. I sat in the back,
no cat, revamp, you come back.
But you come back, recap anything you missed, looking back.
I had an ad.
Hello, Hannibal. Welcome to my sanctuary.
Not a bad Jigsaw voice.
You have 20 bars to prove that you are
20
worthy of
bars.
life. It is all you will have. At the end, a group of your peers will judge who won, and the loser, well, your fate is sealed. Ramp or die. Make your choice.
Just feel the beat, man. Just feel it. Ooh, that beat.
Hello, Dr. Lector. I'd like to play a game. Choose. Live or die. I play by the same rules. Verbal arsenal when I will use to torture you. Spitting saw blades that'll split your whole brain in two.
Spitting saw blades that'll split your whole brain in two. You get the pun?
Traps that'll rip your whole back. Spaghetti straps.
Setting traps that'll rip your whole... Did he say back or pack? Your whole... Yeah, back. Rip your whole back to spaghetti straps. I've never heard spaghetti straps. This is what I love about Daddy Fat Snaps, man. He just molds shit together, and it's so good. He's an artist.
Back to spaghetti straps. I'm in love with the messy acts. Then you walk around and act sophisticated and educated, but your style has left me irritated. Kill without a cause. Who have you liberated? I chose a different route. Some would say it's innovative. Everything I do is to appreciate life. If they die, it's on them. Not enough fight. But what about you? Talking just a little snitch. A sucker for a bitch. I just say it how it is. 2 steps ahead. You will never be my equal. And even when I'm dead, they're still bumping out the sequels.
That's a flex. That's a flex. Even when I'm dead, they still pumping out the sequels. Jigsaw, I can't remember his name. It's on the tip of my tongue. I can't remember. I just called him Jigsaw. What's his name? Don't drive me crazy. John Kramer. There we go. John Kramer. There we go. I knew it. That is actually a really good John Kramer impression, and that was a good closing bar, because I think John Kramer died in 2 or 3, and we're on like 7, about to be 8.
We're too smart, 2 steps ahead. Killers at heart, leave anyone dead. Ripping you apart, coming for your head.
Daddy Fat Snaps always have a good intermission between the verses, man.
We're too smart.
The tags were just always off the charts for him.
Killers at heart, leave anyone dead. Ripping you apart, coming for your head. Death, it is hard, I'ma paint the town red. A sucker for a bitch, are you talking about Clarice? Even say a name and I'm eating every piece of your body and pairing it with salted fava beans. Listen, John Kramer, to my hypotheses. I'm a killer, this is...
I just waited.
True, but I'm really different. I don't waste anything, my policy is stringent. What about you when they fall to your equipment? Die and they rot, really, that is quite malignant.
is really in the character of Hannibal Lecter, because Hannibal Lecter always spoke in what I like to call dictionary terms. And I like to call it that because every time somebody uses the word, I have to get a fucking dictionary. Because I don't know what they mean. So this is like really, really in the character of Hannibal Lecter, because he's very sophisticated. So, like, this is why I love Daddy Fat Snaps, man. He's a character portrayer.
One man show. I need no assistant. I need no assistance. I'm really that efficient. You're right about one thing, never my equivalent. I've psychoanalyzed you and I realized you're ignorant. Giving people life or death choices doesn't mean when they beat death they'll rejoice it. Live for the kill. All I do is break dash, lapping up the blood through the gaps in my face mask. We're so smart, 2 steps ahead.
Nobody's really punching yet. I think Kramer's winning because he had a better flex bar.
If it is hard, I'ma paint the town red. We're too smart, 2 steps ahead. Killers at heartbeat.
This is gonna be a flow battle, ain't it?
Ripping you apart.
Yeah, I don't know who I got. Like, they both have like fantastic flow.
Hard, I'ma paint the town red.
Your technique is sound, but your mantra is hollow. You ever stop
Which your mantra is hollower. That is actually very elegant. I actually like that a lot. Why you don't have any followers?
Why you don't have any followers? What I do is bigger than me, so people believe you're nothing but a coward. Only kill for the meat.
Must be delusional, John. You're a psycho, just like me. Don't sugarcoat it, cause I know.
I know, Clarice. Oh, Clarice, you need to have much more fun in life.
And you lying to me is poking my appetite, and I'm craving Kramer. They don't have a bite.
I gotta give it to Kramer. I think Kramer had more...
Spaghetti straps.
The way his voice works, it was more endearing to listen to. And I didn't have to get a dictionary for his shit. But I do think Kramer had more going for him because neither one of them really punched that much. But Kramer really had the flex bar. So I gotta give it to Kramer. But Daddy Fat Snaps, this was... like, there's just no words to say how much I just love your work. This was fantastic. Fantabulous. New word, fantabulous. Quote it. This is as fantabulous as always. Just incredible. That is such a badass poster for a Jigsaw movie. I remember that from Jigsaw. Badass poster. I gotta give it to Kramer. Who do you guys got? This was recommended by King Boy. Really glad you recommended this. Not punch heavy, but very flow heavy. I gotta give it to Kramer. As always, Daddy Fat Snaps kills it, man. Like, who questions Daddy Fat Snaps? Not me. Like, nobody should question the man. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.